Now let's see this question given in GATE 2010 about pointers. Here's a function with the return type void and name f, which take two arguments which are pointers p and q, pointers to integers, both of them. And this is the body of the function, this is the work it does. And apart from it, there's a main function. I is defined as 0, j is defined as 1, and then this function is called with address of I and j, f function. And this is print statement, and they are asking what will be printed after we execute this program, and these are the options given. So let's see. Let's start from here. Int I and j, two integers are there, so I'm creating two integers I and j which are holding values 0 and 1, so I'm storing 0 and 1 in them. After that, function is called with address of I and address of j. So let's say address of I is 100 and address of j is 200. So this function is called, so we've called this with 100 and 200. So now 100 is copied into pointer p and 200 is copied into pointer q. So p and q are two pointers which are pointing to 100th location and 200th location. So this and this, p is pointing to I and q is pointing to j. Now what this function is doing, it is storing q's address in p. So here's 200 which is stored in p. So now p becomes 200 because of this statement. The data of q copied into p, and since they are pointers, so address of q is stored in address of p. Whatever is in q is stored in address of in p. And after that, star p, which means whatever p is pointing to becomes 2. 2 is copied to whatever is p is pointing to. So p is pointing to I, and I becomes 2 after that. So we store here 2 after this line of code. So after that, this function call is complete because we have executed all of the lines of the function's body. Now we are printing two integers, they are 2%d, and I and j, we are printing 2 and 1. So what will be printed? 2 and 1. So answer is B.